Hi guys, this is day number 8 of my 365 live stream challenge, and on this short live stream I would love to show you a few packages, different services we provide as I promised on one of my previous live streams. Okay, so I'm doing this live stream again from my desktop, so you can see me talking on this stream plus my desktop here in front of you. So basically, like we are a small software development agency, and we don't have many offers, many services. We just provide three basic things, but we try to do them like properly. So couple years before we had multiple different services, extra services, but these days we don't do that much, so we just have three of them. And on this screen you can see like three building blocks of our services offers, like software startup workshop. This is how everybody starts, every client of us starts. Then we have MVP development and launch, that the longest part, the biggest offer, and then support retainers for those that go to production. So let's now dive a bit deeper into each of these. You heard about them a bit on the previous streams, but now I will show you on the screen a bit more. Like every small business that comes to us, be it for new software development to integrate into the process, streamline CRM, some automation, or be it for creating new recurring revenue stream like tech startup, some software they will sell and make money out of this, maybe upsell to the existing audience. All of them start with software startup workshop, and this is 2 days live, 2 days of live sessions, and then full a week. So we finalize the results and provide the results. So how does that look like? I already showed this screen before. I'll enlarge the font here. Like we assign homework for our clients 2 days before the workshop. Then we have 2 days on the workshop. First day we're working on the product strategy, which is all about how we acquire users, user acquisition, user onboarding, user retention, user referral, and revenue model. And after that first day, we have second day live session, 4 hours a day. With coffee break in between. And on that second day, we work on project roadmap, the technical side of our workshop, our project, our software. And there we'll kind of scope up the MVP, minimum viable product version scope. We come up with some technical challenges, potential technical challenges in this project. And because the product strategy day is super important, because it gives extra things that we need to include into the scope during that second day of our live sessions. After that, we take approximately 3 days for smaller projects and finalize everything. So all in all, it takes about 1 week to deliver the results. For bigger projects, it might take up to a couple of weeks to do just this software startup workshop kind of discovery phase. But for smaller projects, 1 week is enough. Usually we keep anything like between 2 to 4 workshops a month. That's our capability. We cannot do more than that. Just 1 workshop per week maximum. And I would love to show you the results. So this is like example of our kiddie board project. So the deliverables here were about this, like we have like every workshop has dedicated Google Drive folder with the steps per workshop, second step product strategy, project roadmap, deliverables, and then we have like results, the foundation about the idea, product strategy, market positioning, results. It's all linked to appropriate worksheets that we've been working on during our live session, and then we polished after live session within our team internally. So it includes everything, including design mock-up ideas. It includes technical stack we suggest to use. It includes like stack for mobile or web app, depending on what we're going to build in this with this client. And then we have like time and cost estimates. Again, there's a link to spreadsheet, and here we have also like quick look into the numbers, the amount of weeks we'll have. That's kind of a bit bigger, like middle-sized projects projects within our agency, and then the budgets going here again, everything with a like detailed work breakdown structure like this. So after that workshop, our clients usually take very detailed outlook on how many hours they will hand to we will have to spend for them to build that MVP version, initial version of that project. Yeah, so this is kind of results they get, and the next step obviously here is like going with us, allocate the development team or design team and start the development or design. Usually we do the design first, of course. So, and the second step is, let me get back to my board. So MVP development and launch, which consists of both designing. For smaller project, it's like UX and UI, it takes 2 to 4 weeks, and for bigger project, it might take 3 and more months just to do the design and proper UX for a new software. And how we do that, we basically create a project in our project management system. We're using Redmine. We're creating new project, adding all these tasks from the work breakdown structure here, organized in sprints. We work in 2-week sprints. We organize the Slack boards where we communicate with our clients directly, and after that we also organize the project pulse, which gives us like a retrospective look into how we go compared to our estimate. Our within estimates know, if not, why, what are the reasons, like client-based requests, our problems. So we try to split them and understand who's responsible for these changes in our project. So our clients can see on a weekly basis how we go and how much is left to finish and whether we are going according to our plan. So this is exactly how that works. Yeah, so let me check if I yeah, and also we have like a weekly project management procedures. We are developing in agile 2-week sprints, and we every week we have like in our Slack the process, and in our meetings the process to, like, on Monday we usually do the weekly calls. We don't do daily stand-ups, we do weekly calls. Then on to plan the next week and to make a retrospective on the previous week, update our clients. Midweek on Wednesday we have like middle week checkpoint, whether it's going according to our plan within our team. And Friday it's like demo day. We have like we compare what we planned and what we actually did along that week, and update our clients. If that's like every second week we also show the demo to our clients. And this is the process how it works for the MVP development and launch. Usually takes 6 to 12 weeks for smaller project and up to 1 year for bigger project, and even more time for super big projects to develop the first initial version of their software, design and develop. After the project goes live to production, we have support retainers, which is our last service we provide. Some of these projects that go to production need full-time development team, and we just keep going in the same way as the MVP development goes, with pulse, but we might switch from bi-weekly sprints and releases to Kanban mode, like we do one thing, one task, and deploy it to production straight away. But it depends. For support retainers, these are services that we provide to our clients. They don't need active development, like full-time development. They just need maybe 20, 40, or up to 80 hours. In that case, they pay us a monthly subscription. It might be paid like on a quarterly basis, 6 months upfront. The longer period, the cheaper it becomes. And also this one includes like the 24/7 uptime guarantee, which provides kind of our monitoring setup for that production system, so that whenever it goes down or some urgent critical things happens on the production system, we'll fix it within just couple hours during night hours, day hours, working days, or on weekends too. So this is our last service in our value ladder. In the future, we plan to add more of these, and I will show some new offers and products we are preparing to release pretty soon. But that's it. That's all we have right now. If you have any questions regarding these services, let me know in the comments below, and see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and remember, people need your software.